Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Guys, today I want to talk about crypto.com, their proof of reserves. I want to talk about tectonic, and I kind of want to talk about what's been going on over on Twitter with the crypto space. So let's hop into this. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Once we reach that, we'll be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So let's hop into this. So over on Twitter, we tweeted over on the Crypto Report. This is very cool, Crow fam, and crypto.com is showing how you can verify your funds individually. Like if you want to personally verify your funds and see if they're safe, you can. With our proof of reserves, you can ensure your funds are safely stored and available. Here's how you do it. Let's watch this. How to verify your funds. This is crazy that they're coming out with this. It's pretty incredible. Go to crypto.com, proof of reserves, and click verify your funds. Log into your crypto.com account. Check your account details and asset balance. This is insane that they're offering this. Find a copy to Merkle Leaf. Paste it on the auditor's page. Wow. It's actually crazy that they're offering this. This is nuts. This certifies that your funds are safely held in our reserves. That's insane that they're offering that. There's not a single other exchange that's offering that yet, and that they came out with this ability to do this is awesome. I love to see it. It just goes to show, guys, all that FUD was for absolutely nothing, and that Crypto.com is stronger than ever, and it's only going to get stronger and stronger. And come the bull market, we're all going to be laughing about how there was a coordinated attack to bring down a great exchange like Crypto.com. It's very, very interesting to see the landscape of crypto after FTX has collapsed. And, I hate to hear it, but there's still talk of FTX, talk about this, the inkling of them coming back, and I think that's absolutely disgusting. I don't think that should be allowed at all. I think that they need to pay back the customer funds that they've stolen. I don't think they deserve a spot in this space at all. I think they need to be completely exiled. I don't want anything of that to do. They're just bad actors. We don't want them in the space. They're only going to do what they did the first time, and they're just going to do it again. It's an untrusted company. We want it gone. But let's look over the Crypto.com price. So I've been talking about breaking out of this formation in this channel. And, I said in my previous video that we'll probably break out, but it probably won't be anything ridiculous because it's the weekend. But leading into the end of the month or potentially into Santa Claus rally and the Federal Reserve meeting come Wednesday, there's going to be some movement here. But until then, I really think that we could just trade sideways out of this, maybe barely coming up a few percentage points or down a few percentage points like how we already did. I mean, look at that volatility squeeze. I say that facetiously because look how tiny that is. Let's see this. At a 2% volatility squeeze. Wow. But, yeah, I mean, we still got it out of this formation. We're probably going to trade more like that until a few different catalysts, like I said, leading into this next week, the weekly close, the Federal Reserve meeting, a potential Santa Claus rally. There is the main catalyst I'd be looking for a bigger move. But I also want to give a update on tectonic because we are also playing here with these trend lines and in this channel. Like I said previously in my previous tectonic update, I think about December 16th should be kind of the time where we break out of this formation, probably to the upside. I would assume it would take a lot to bring us down below this support level. Like I said, though, but all it would really take is on Wednesday for the Federal Reserve to say some hawkish things like a 0.75 basis rate point hike, and then there's a chance we can come down lower. But, I mean, if we really zoom out here, that'd be its all-time low if we broke down below this, and I don't really see that happening. But so I want to talk about some things in regards to what's going on with Elon Musk and Twitter. Because, guys, if you haven't been on Twitter lately, Elon Musk is turning that place into a wild time, and it's pretty fun. You should check it out. You get some really interesting news on there. But Elon Musk says Sam Bankman-Fried should go to prison, while Binance's boss, a.k.a. CZ, he calls him a master manipulator. 8 top figures weigh in on the disgraced FTX founder. why why is he just not in jail yet? That's all I have to say. Why is SBF not in jail? It's I come down here, this is what Elon Musk says. Let's just give him an adult timeout in the big house and move on. I love that. I love that. And then you got other people weighing in that don't really know much about it other than like CZ. But it's really interesting that Elon Musk knows so much about it because the main source of news about what's going on with FTX is happening on Twitter. It's very, very intriguing that we're not getting these. You're not getting these puff pieces by like New York Times and whatnot on SBF because he paid the media to make him look good. Guys, if he doesn't go to jail or doesn't pay everybody back that he stole that money from, I will be astounded. It is very, very criminal. But let's talk about Bitcoin now because it's still the weekend. We're trading, trying to break above this channel. It's all hinged on this Federal Reserve meeting, really. The market is so data driven in the past year, and it's just becoming more and more data driven, just waiting on the CPI numbers, waiting on the Federal Reserve to make rate hikes, or how high are the rates going to go, how low are the rates going to be, are we going to cut the rates? It's very curious because it's very hard to read what's going to happen unless you have the data, and the data doesn't come out to the public until it comes out to the public. It's as simple as that. You know, it's a tricky time, but what I will say is it's a great time to accumulate. It's a great time to accumulate CRO. It's a great time to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other coins that you truly believe in. Would I recommend buying some low cap altcoins? I mean, it's definitely a gamble right now, but I will say that we're definitely getting close to the bottom here. Let's look over here. We are definitely getting close to the bottom here when we look at that's the S&P 500, but we do want to see a breakout to the upside. We don't want to see this come down here on the S&P 500 because if that happens, well, it's going to probably bring the market down with it. It's probably going to bring crypto down with it. But I want to show you guys the Bitcoin halvening and show you that we are definitely getting close to a bottom. Well, I can't pull that up. But yeah, we are definitely getting close to a bomb. There's so many bomb signals flashing on Bitcoin. We've capitulated. Could we come down further? Yes. Would it take a catastrophic event? Yes. But we are definitely, there's many, many bottom signals coming in, guys. But that's all I really got for you. If you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. We have a bunch of free money in the description box below. Feel free to check that out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.